Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Megan, and in this video I'm going to show you a super simple holiday dessert that I can guarantee you is going to wow any crowd. This has been a staple in my family for as long as I can remember, and it is now something that I have since carried over and share with my friends and family, and now I'm going to share it with you. This video is in collaboration with Mandy in the Making, and if you've come here from her channel, on this channel I do cooking videos, hauls, vlogs, day in the lives. I'm also a body piercer, so you get some craziness snuck in with those recipes. So if you're new here, consider subscribing. All right, let's get started.
First, we're gonna start by making our whipped cream. You're gonna take 2 cups of heavy cream or more, depending on how big you are making your log. Start your mixer going medium to medium high. Be careful, the higher you go, the more likely it's going to splash out. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And then, depending on how sweet you want it, add a little bit of sugar at a time. And then I always just do the taste test with it. Some people like to do powdered sugar, but I like the real sugar. This is what you want your whipped cream to look like. You want to make sure that it forms what's called stiff peaks. You don't want it runny, you don't want it anything like that. You want to make sure that it'll actually hold on a fork. I will then let my whipped cream chill in the fridge for 1 to 2 hours before I go ahead and construct my log. Next comes the fun part. You're going to take your famous chocolate wafers, which can be found in most grocery stores in the cookie aisle. To start forming your log, I like to lay it down first. If you try to stand it up right away, it's not going to do very well. So I will start putting the whipped cream on my wafers, lay it down, and then once you have 3 or 4 of them with whipped cream on them, go ahead and stand it up. If you're doing this for a crowd of people, you're going to want to stack them 4 at a time and then go across your plate. But because it's only my husband and I that are eating this, I went ahead and just made a single log. After you have the log to its desired length, go ahead and take the rest of your whipped cream and generously, I say generously because you don't want any wafers showing at all, cover your log with the whipped cream. So that's it. Cover it with some tin foil, put it in the fridge, or what we always love to do, put it in the snow 4 hours minimum or overnight. Serve it up to your guests and be the talk of your Christmas party.
So it is now the next morning. Who says you can't have whipped cream log for breakfast? The more that you let the log sit, the better it's going to absorb. 4 hours is your minimum, but like I said, if you really can do it overnight, overnight is best. We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna taste test this. I just love it. It falls right apart. So good. Nothing says the holidays to me like this whipped cream log. Thanks guys for watching. I'll be back with another video for you very soon.